Take a moment of silence for the victims of the landfill incident in Barangay Binaliw, Cebu City last January 08. As search and rescue operations continue, we offer our prayers for the souls of the departed and strength to their grieving families. Please, a moment's silence. Please be assured that the government is taking all necessary measures to ensure safety, transparency, accountability, and compassionate assistance. Burial support and other forms of aid are now being directed to those who have been affected by this tragedy. Let us stand in solidarity with our fellow Filipinos during this difficult time.